An important announcement for CA students by ICI regarding completion of MCS course and advanced IT course through virtual mode as one-time measure for students appearing for May 2021 final course examination. In view of COVID-19 virus and subsequent suspension of IT and soft skill classes all across country, ICI has decided that students of May 2021 final course examinations they can do through virtual mode, which is conducted by ICI, and the portal for undergoing virtual MCS and advanced IT classes will be live from 15th September 2020, and the detailed guidelines I will show you. Here is the detailed guidelines for the students undergoing MCS or advanced IT training through virtual mode. Course registration is given link here. They have to pay the requisite fees only through online mode. For MCS, the fees is 5000. For advanced IT course, fees is 5500 respectively. For the registered students, a private link will be sent by ICI branch or POU to their mail. The students will have to register in their branch at the nearest location to their residence or communication address as maintained by ICI. Attendance also will be given by ICI for the mid sections, and students must have internet facilities, and the students are required to complete the course without discontinuity. Students not attending the class for any particular day will be marked as absent, and they have to compensate their attendance in another batch in the same POU. And the complete certificate will be given on completion of 15 days of training. After 15 days, the certificate will be given by ICI, and the link is given here. This is the notification and the guidelines.